Guys, tignan nyo guys. Yan yung sequence. Madaling araw na guys. 4:30. Umuwi ako. Kanina pa akong afternoon pumasok. Yan yung lugar namin. Lakad ako. BFW guys. Bumili lang ako ng tinapay. Almusal ko. That's how it is. Overseas Filipino from Saudi. I just came from work and finishing my shift, and now it's almost morning, like 4:30 here in Saudi. In the Philippines now is almost 10 a.m. 5 hours difference, as you can see. My workplace is that one, Sequence Cafe. I'm a manager on that cafe, and I am so very blessed to have this opportunity to handle a coffee shop with a nice owner and a nice team. Although we have a lot of difficulties and some issues inside our team, but still we're the best and we're coming better and better and growing. Soon we'll be having opening soon a new branch, by the way. So it's a blessing to have new branch and renovation of our store and growing new team, new branch. It's a success already to have a new branch and many more in the future. And hope you everyone guys, good morning. Now coming, what time now? Like 4:30 in the morning here, almost 5 a.m. finishing my shift, and my colleague is still there. Later 6 a.m. he's going to wait for the opening shift because we have preparation for World Cup. And congrats for the team here in Saudi. Not bad, still they're doing good, and hopefully they will be in final and maybe champion, why not, in World Cup FIFA. And I hope everyone will enjoy the match, not only on the football and every sports, all safe and all be happy and enjoy everyone. That's life guys. OFW, we're 24/7 open right now, like 3 days already because of the World Cup. We make design and everything, charge for the table, charge and chair. And as you can see, sunrise is coming, and this their houses guys, you see, very uniform, very organized, very clean, and all big houses. This is the normal houses from here, and they have a big land, they have a big heart as well. Thank you for this opportunity, and I love working here, and really hope everyone is doing well, and God bless. Have a good day ahead. Have a wonderful day to everyone. Hope for the best guys, and yeah, everything is doing well here. And thank you for peace and Iran and America. They're going to sign the final agreement and stopping the war anymore. No war anymore. Peace and love to everyone. Give love. Early in the morning now guys. Here I'm just going home after my duty. Hopefully we'll be having more business, and good future to everyone, good opportunity also to everyone. And Assalamualaikum. That's the greeting guys. Here, have a blessed morning here in Saudi. As you can see the sun now, this is our building. We're in the second floor, in the last room right there. Guys. 5 minutes only on that last our flat, guys. Have a good day. Thank you. I'm having bread before my rest, before my bed.